30 Days Shaolin Day 12. Kicks and defense against kicks form part of the foundation training of Shaolin Kung Fu and Tai Chi Chuan. As with other aspects of the training, we start with the form, then spacing and timing. Force and speed come later, once the skills have been developed. This video looks at how to perform the Happy Bird Hops Up Tree kick in solo practice and how to use it against an incoming attack. In another video, we'll look at the defense against this kick.
From here, okay, step down to your unicorn step, okay, come up, so you're lifting up here, yeah, and this is Happy Bird Hops Up Tree, yeah, so you've lifted this area here, which will be their arm coming in, hop up the tree, come back, and return back to full thread. Turn, lift up, kick. This hand, yeah, this hand is here, protecting your groin. Yeah, protecting the groin area. Come back. That's it. Each time, just come back into a false leg and making the false leg over here. Okay. Turn, kick. Come back, turn, kick, come back, turn. So as you're coming through the kick, you're threading their arm, okay? Next one, yeah. So when's the Happy Bird hop up tree coming? It depends on what you're stepping in or stepping back. So if you step back a little bit, so I'll be here in guard, wait for something come in. Yeah, a strike will come in. So a strike comes in, and I'll come in Happy Bird. Yeah, so you definitely don't want your hands there. Yeah, you don't want the hand down there. Yeah, so the Happy Bird, as the punch is coming in, yeah, just avoid it. Yeah, you see the extent of my kick there. Yeah, so hit like this. Hit like this. Yeah. So a few ways to deal with this punch. Punch comes in here, like this, mirror hand. Yeah. So here, like this, like this, yeah. Like this. Yeah. I'll just lift up here. So here. So you can just come in and catch, yeah? So the thing is from the taekwondo. So I come in like this, kick comes in, yeah? Yeah. Like this, yeah? So here, lean right back, because here you see the extent of this reach, yeah? So lean right back on this one, yeah? I've still got a grip in, yeah? So whether I'm palming away, palming up, catching, yeah? But here is the idea is to come back, retreat back, and then it just hops up, boom, yeah? So it's not like I'm coming in, here, jumping side kick, thrust kick, yeah. It's just a little hop out, okay? So therefore it's a bit more difficult to defend against, isn't it? Because you've already done a punch. Yeah. So if your Happy Bird's coming in, but you've already done a punch, how are you going to defend against a Happy Bird? You try. So Matthew, you do a fierce tiger. Yeah. So you do a fierce tiger. Matthew will do a Happy Bird. You want to be right leg, Matthew, because then all you do is retreat back to a false leg, yeah, and let the Happy Bird come out. So you're going to be punching right mode.
I am punching.
Yeah, you can do a black tiger or a fierce tiger, white snake or anything. Doesn't matter. High jab, mid jab, doesn't matter. So punch as fast as you can. That's easy.